Hello and welcome back to another video. I am using a new camera, so if I look super HD, then that is the reason why. I've bought a new camera for my self-employed business, which I can now talk about, which is me doing videography and stuff and things. I do have a confession, however. I'm going to insert the confession that I filmed on my phone 2 weeks ago. Hence the lack of videos. Insert clip. I've done that classic YouTube thing where I said, let's not film this because it's a bit of a mucky job and I just want to get it done. And then my mate Pav, who's helping me over there, he didn't want the camera. I was like, that's cool, that's fine. Let's just get it done. And then all of a sudden it's turned into a really exciting, good video that I should have filmed this whole time. This evening, we challenged ourselves with getting the rear wheels off, rear subframe, rear suspension and exhaust that was left on from like 2 years ago when we first took it off. So, not filmed taking that off. We've taken that off. Not filmed trying to take the wheel off, which was utter chaos. So welded those on, got the wheel off finally, and we are now in this position. Swing arms, we've unbolted. So these are nice and just hanging loose. So we're gonna do the same for the other side. And then, we've done the same for the other side. And then we will undo the subframe and that should all drop out. Lovely and nice like. We're literally now undoing the shock absorber bolts at the top in the boot. We've undone the subframe things, they're all in here. I cannot tell you how easy they came out. Then we will drop the jack that's holding up the diff, and Bob will be your uncle, whether you like it or not. Get in here, Pav. Get some of this action. Look at me go. Look at me go. You know, I feel like now I've had tattoos, like on the back of my arm. Yeah. I always feel like they should be in shot. Do you want me to get it? Yeah, get it in. Oh, look cool. Oh yeah, look at my new tag. Yeah, it's nice. So shout out to the King, Ali Cox and Scotty Cornwell. They're the two pals that I got the tattoo with. Look at it. Look at it. Alistair Cox. He will love this because he's been asking for a shout out since day one.
Oh, he's got it now, man.
And Scotty, if he ever remembers, she never does.
City boy! City boy! Jesus. Fall off my face, goddammit!
He's okay.
No. Oh, yes.
Yes?
Oh, prop shot.
Let's look at some cars.
Anyway, today, the aim of all aims is to go under here. As you can see, we have many things of subframes under there, but the prop is still attached in there somewhere. So I will be, let's see how, oh God.
Jesus Christ.
I will be removing the prop, then all the subframe can come out. Let's crack on with today's video. Thank you very much for coming back, thank you very much for subscribing, and thank you for watching. Let's bloody do this. Extension that will fit under here, please.
An extension that will fit under there. Do you need a smaller one then?
Just maybe a small one, but with an extension that goes on to a 13mm 1/4 inch. Hey.
13?
Yes.
Oh, it's not in here.
No, because I've got it.
Oh.
I need extension.
I need to see what I'm working with. Like, what do you have that's any different to what I can give you?
I
know what you mean.
Yeah?
To make it more of a right angle.
No, to make it longer.
Yeah. Give me the thing.
No, give me that. Let's have a look. Oh, good throw. Oh, this is the puppy.
Yeah?
Yeah! Yeah! Whoa, there she goes. Whoa. One thing I do hope with this new lens is I hope you can't hear the autofocus. Because I can hear it, but which makes me wonder if you can hear it. So I'm actually going to rewatch a clip quickly to make sure that's not happening. If it is, I'll be peed off. The supporting little bars for the prop are almost off. I'm not going to take off the last one because that's supporting it, so I can take off the actual prop from the diff, take that off, and then undo the last one, and then it should come down and I can remove the subframe, which will be a big success. And I've done it majorly on my own, thanks Pav and thanks Richard. What I might actually do is I'm going to do what I said I wasn't going to do, and don't make traitorous travel options. Shit. Don't take risks and travel on traitorous roads, and don't swim in the sea. I'm gonna lube these little puppies up, and then whilst I do that, I'm gonna take off the last little bits, which is up here. Should be off. That's good. Last one. That one. Hey, look at me prop.
There we go. Okay. Hang on. Let's move the race car out the way. Oh wow, you're there's some beading. Do you use hybrid ceramic wax?
Oh, I do. I bead well. Sometimes I think I'm not human with the amount of sweat. But with that said, huge success, and I feel like this video isn't wasted because with a little bit of help from Richard, that's now out. So all of these bushes are dead. To be honest, the subframe, it looks quite crusty, but I don't think it's too bad. We're going to be removing boot floor wheel well thing. I think we're also going to be doing a tank removal to go fuel cell in the rear. But no, that's good. That's good. That's a good job done.
Was it 7 years, 5 years?
Hi Richard.
Hello everybody.
That's not what you say.
Hi guys.
Thank you. What's your thoughts on the subframe? Because I mean, we're probably bushing everything, thanks to Powerflex, so huge shout out to them. That will be a whole separate video.
Well, it's fine. It just needs what we did with the front one. It just needs blasting, needs powder coating. You know, get all this crusty shit off.
Oh my god, you have freak mechanic strength.
They're not actually that tight.
That's because I've already loosened them.
Of course.
Just warming up.
There you go. Wasn't that bad, see?
Not even hard.
See, it wasn't that bad.
Really fucking strong. This, ladies and gentlemen, once it's off, will conclude the video.
Can I offer a piece of advice?
Hammer.
Hammer.
Hammer? You rode a hammer. The hammer rode you on your back.
Rotate 90 degrees. Hit yoke. No. No. Years. Nice. You just That wasn't a lot of effort in that.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the Real Patch YouTube channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Who's butted out of the pond? Thank you of course always to Mr. Richard Warmer, who is my all-seeing eye and guru in this build. We're making good You pipe down! You pipe down, woman! Honestly.
It's the washer and wives.
It's the washer and wives, you can't.
Yeah, what are you going to do?
We're going to go back to doing some engine bits. Because we don't need much to get that thing firing, I don't think.
Well, it's going to be getting it mounted first.
We don't need much to get it mounted, and then it's turnkey. Anyway,
Turnkey.
see ya.